Hey YouTube, so I'm going to be showing y'all how I get my little head wraps. So first I'm doing a high one, and usually I just put it up, smooth it out, and I usually just use a hair tie and I tie it up. I split most of these parts up because like it's really self-explanatory in the video. And then after that I just start the basics, twist it around, and I make my little buns. So yeah. Usually when I'm making my buns, I think of it as like a bantu knot, and I try to just tuck under the last part that I just tucked, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's it. That's all I do for the top. And then I just rock out, do my edges, and yeah, bam. Now, I do my low buns differently. I have two different methods. First, I'm gonna show you how I do it by tying my scarf together in the back. So here, I just slowed it down a bit so you can see, because it's a little messy. But I just take my scarf and I tie it in like one little single knot. And once I get it tightened, then I just start to make my bun like normal. And yeah, that's about it. Now, I usually tie it because of the fact that like a scarf usually has the tendency to slip back, so it keeps it from slipping back. And I accidentally started making my bun the wrong way, but I fixed it. You can see in the video.
Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad.
And boom. The lighting though. So method number 2, I once again take a hair tie to make sure my scarf doesn't slip back, and I just tie my scarf up in the back. If my tie method isn't working, usually it does, or I'm in a rush, I don't know, it really doesn't matter, I just do either or. And I just make my bun as normal, start twisting and wrapping my hair around to make my buns. And yeah, that's basically it. Simple, very easy and quick, on the go. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps some beginners.
Just hold my hand even if you don't understand.
Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel.
When I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.